inside. Chick and the King are loose.
I think McQueen is out of the race. McQueen saved
He's
it.
back on the track.
Float like a Cadillac, sting like a Beamer.
Lightning McQueen is going to win the Piston Cup.
Come on, you got it, Stickers.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Oh no.
Yeah! Woo! I won, baby! Yeah!
What's he up to, Doc?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the King should finish his last race.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
It's just an empty cup.
Darrell, is pushing on the last lap legal?
Hey, man, he's not really pushing him. He's just giving him a little bump draft. Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I call racing right there.